Hey there, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a fan of fresh produce and are looking to add a little variety to your homegrown garden, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to guide you through the process of growing mushrooms at home. Even if you're a complete beginner, don't worry. I'll show you every step you need to know to grow delicious organic mushrooms right in your home. Let's get started. Before we dive into the process, let's talk about the types of mushrooms you can grow at home. Some of the best beginner-friendly options are oyster, button, and shiitake mushrooms. These varieties are relatively easy to grow and don't require a lot of space or complicated setups. Oyster mushrooms, great for stir-fries and soups. Button mushrooms, perfect for salads and pizza toppings. Shiitake mushrooms, ideal for savory dishes and soups. Now let's gather all the materials we'll need for this mushroom growing adventure. Here's your shopping list. Mushroom spawn, oyster or button are great for beginners. Growing medium straw, coffee grounds or hardwood sawdust, plastic bags or containers, spray bottle with water, a dark warm space like a cupboard or closet. You can get mushroom spawn online or from a local garden store. And don't worry, if you're wondering what mushroom spawn is, it's just the equivalent of seeds for mushrooms. The growing medium is where the mushrooms will feed and grow, and that can be something simple like straw or even used coffee grounds. Let's start with preparing the growing medium. For this example, we'll use straw. Here's what you need to do. Chop the straw. Cut it into small pieces about 1 to 2 inches long. Sterilize the straw. Boil water in a large pot, add the straw, and let it soak for about 30 minutes. This kills any unwanted bacteria. Drain and cool. After 30 minutes, drain the water and let the straw cool completely. You can use coffee grounds or sawdust if you prefer. Just make sure to sterilize them in hot water before use. Now it's time to inoculate the growing medium, which is a fancy word for mixing in your mushroom spawn. In a clean container, mix your cooled straw with the mushroom spawn. Make sure the spawn is evenly spread throughout the straw. Take a plastic bag or container and fill it with your inoculated straw. Pack it lightly to ensure proper airflow. Make sure to poke a few holes in the plastic bag to allow air to circulate. This will help your mushrooms grow healthily. Next up is the incubation period. This is where the magic happens. Place your setup in a dark, warm space. Find a spot that stays around 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. A closet or a cupboard will do just fine. Over the next 2 to 3 weeks, you'll see white, thread-like structures growing through the straw. This is called mycelium, and it means your mushrooms are starting to develop. Make sure to keep it moist by spraying the inside of the bag with water every few days to prevent it from drying out. After about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice the mycelium has fully colonized the growing medium. It's time to move on to fruiting. Now it's time for the fruiting stage, where your mushrooms will finally start to appear. Move your bags or containers to a spot with indirect light. A windowsill with some light during the day works great. Mushrooms need humidity to grow, so use a spray bottle to mist the bag or container daily. You can also cover it with a loose plastic tent to trap moisture. After a week or two, you'll start to see tiny mushroom pins forming. They'll grow rapidly over the next 5 to 10 days. Once your mushrooms have fully matured, it's time to harvest. Pick them when the caps have fully opened, but before they start to curl up too much. Gently twist the mushrooms at the base and pull them away from the growing medium. And there you have it, your very own homegrown mushrooms. How satisfying is that? Congratulations, you've just grown your own mushrooms at home. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful, and that you're excited to try it out yourself. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gardening tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next video.